me koro or you dey hear me whine. I be say you turn that gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Port Harcourt, and Abuja, and Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. On top of internet, we also did the chim www.wazobiatv.tv/live, and this na the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show. As it is hot, we tell you say every weekday from 10 to 11 don't turn Christmas. Sake of say all the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry them, drop them down, open them, give you license to chook mouth inside to talk them do anything be you for body, so that those who the leaders go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezugo Chokwode, and as usual I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother Wayne Sabu while I stay concerned the politics matter. As it is hot.
I'm a beautiful Tuesday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. Don't carry as they hot. Come on our way again. That political program where they informate now, where they search now with different political activities. Today we'll not go different because I will get a very important matter where we say yes, now something will involve us. It involves our states somehow. You also involve our leaders, people they lead us for this particular state. We they talk about bailout matter, and we also open our phone line when that time reach, so that at least we go fit contribute the own quarter into the matter. May also bear in mind, so we get 3 solid telephone line for now. 1 to 3 line. 2 free line business, I will call, I will talk, I will express myself. But when it comes to the payment, you call, I leave that one for us. My name never change. My name is Unkwi, and this is now As It Hot.
Make we go straight into the discussion when we carry come. Everybody knows say yesterday when we made second, we carry 2 Ogbonge comrades them as it get to do with union activities inside Obodo Nigeria to sit down with us, and we discuss the plight of Nigerian workers inside Obodo Nigeria. Based on that particular discussion, we will continue to talk more as it take affect the Nigerian worker and Nigerians in general. And get one particular issue when on the carry first or inside Nigerian political discussion. A lot of our governors them somehow they just they parade the corridors of Aso Rock. Oga President call them, come say come oh. You tell me say you dey go, but you don't come again. What do you come for? They come to Oga President say it be like say that bailout when you give us that time when we use pay salary. It be like say the thing not reach again and we want more. Oga President come talk. I go talk and they talk and he say K bailout. They say yes. The one way you give us that time the thing not finish. He can say K before I give you another bailout. Make we sit down, make we discuss the matter well. Plenty Nigerians can come and talk say wait oh. Our Oga President give over 400 billion naira. Say they won't share and give states based on say that they complain, say states they owe salary. But according to the information when we say budget carry come out, then break down our 36 states, give us 15 of them when they owe salary. Some they owe as much as 5 months salary. That is that they owe enter inside last year. We go discuss all this matter. Come look say okay, the season 2 of bailout when Oga President won't give this our governors them based on what they ask for. Who will they really bail out? Are we bailing out our governors or bailing out their bank account or pocket? Or are we bailing out Nigerian workers when they still they owe? Now the question we go ask for inside this government of change, who could be over?
And there's a comprehensive analysis where they carry out, ICP carry out on top of this budget. I mean, bailout matter. And then ICP going to discover say, somehow the previous bailout where Oga President be do it be bailout. Just like say somehow a lot of states. Not be the plan what they get before. Not be the plan. No, they don't get the plan say they want pay salary. They just get plans to make them also join duty, collect that money. So that if there are areas that they will feature and put, they will feature and put. But you can't come and say, okay, you know they owe for your own state. But you can't present yourself as somebody who they owe, state who they owe. Can't they say yourself you need bailout? In the end, they can't give you bailout. You can't turn that bailout into areas where we say somehow we're not going to feel defined. So what is the whole essence of you saying you need bailout in the first place, or the whole essence of you being a governor in the first place? So these are things where we say we're going to need to at least look. Okay, now don't go. We don't see another list of states where they owe, where they demand for another bailout now. Okay, these states now. The question why I can't ask now be say, well, now they bailout, they demand for bailout, they demand for freedom. Say okay, may they give them money, may I take free ourselves from the debt that they owe our workers. For how long will this continue? That is the question. How long? We talk about say, okay, make they nurture our brain, make they try look areas where we go generate money. What do you they pay? What do they do to pay these services to all these things? Just they play around how take turn kind of system. Go, you come back. Go, you come back. Go, you come back. You collect you. Now, for how long will this continue? That is the issue.
Exactly.
For how long will it continue?
And we go continue to ask this question because it don't reach the level where we say, if we talk about accountability and responsibility for government, those when they're there, we supposed to hold them accountable and also responsible. 400 billion. Not be 400 naira.
For Chukwudi, make even give a breakdown on this states will collect the money, how they take collect that. We get Abia State. Abia State collect 14.15 billion naira. We can also get Adamawa collect 2.37 billion naira. Bauchi collect 8.6 billion naira. Bayelsa collect 12.85 billion naira. Benue collect 28 billion naira. We get Borno collect 7.68 billion naira. Cross River collect 7.85 and 6 billion naira. Delta collect 10.036 billion naira. Ebonyi collect 4.063 billion naira. Edo collect 3.167 billion naira. Ekiti 9.6 billion naira. Enugu 4.2. Gombe 16.4. Imo 26.8.
Call Imo again. Call Imo again.
Imo, how many times I call you?
3 times.
26.806.
Who is the governor of Imo?
What?
Call his name, Joy. Make we know.
No, you can't. What you trying to me now? They say Ogarocha Sokorocha.
Thank you. Continue.
But no ever they push that.
26.8 what?
Do I look like a student?
26.8 what?
I be a student talking this. I talk something repeatedly.
Okay, no verse. Continue.
Hey, don't do you?
Yeah, continue.
Let me give this breakdown finish.
Okay, no verse. Continue.
Katsina collect 3.304 billion naira. Kebbi collect 0.69. That is about 600 something. This thing 600 something million naira. They collect. Kogi State collect 50.842 billion naira.
50 point what? 50 point what? Hey, continue.
Kwara collect 4.3 billion naira. Nasarawa collect 8.317 billion naira. Niger collect 4.3 billion naira. Ogun collect 20 billion naira. We can get Ondo collect 14.686 billion naira. Osun. Call Osun. Osun collect 34.988 billion naira. Oyo collect 26.606 billion naira. Sokoto collect 10.093 billion naira. Zamfara collect 10.02 billion naira.
Unkubi, help me find Plateau inside that place. How much Plateau collect?
Plateau? You sure say Plateau dey?
Plateau just. Then collect. There no be state for Nigeria. Plateau no be state for Cameroon. They're supposed to collect.
Except if you get the figure.
Okay.
Give us the figure of that one.
Help me call Abia for inside that place.
Okay, Abia. I don't call Abia before now.
Call him again.
Abia collect 14.152 billion naira.
Call Bayelsa for that place.
Bayelsa collect 12.85 billion naira.
Billion. Our Oga Presido in magnanimity, saying heart open. Him be good man. Our governors them as children of the Presido, they look say no. How can our workers be suffering? They cannot be suffering. We are owing them salary. Let's go and beg our Oga Presido. Our Oga Presido can't look and say no. Even though he be Muslim, he can't look say, even when they preach for money, pastor then they talk in here, pastor, when they preach for street, say a laborer deserves his wages. Oga Presido can't and say, let's give them bailout. He can't give them bailout. That same Abia State, when collect 14.1 billion, Abia still dey owe 2 months salary. And some people fit come and argue say the thing pass 2 months.
Abia dey owe 2 months salary.
2 months salary.
Bayelsa dey owe 5.
5 months salary. And Bayelsa collect 12.8 billion.
And then
Benue, wey collect 28 billion, they owe 3 months salary.
3 months salary. Then Delta dey owe 1. Ekiti dey owe 3.
Oil rich Delta.
Bayelsa as well. You no go mention oil rich Bayelsa 5 months. They know.
Palm oil rich Imo.
Now 2 months that they owe.
That they owe waiting.
2 months.
2 months. That they owe waiting. No, that they owe waiting.
2 months.
Osun State.
Osun they owe 2 months.
Anointing oil rich Osun State. How many months?
2 months.
2 months. Ondo State.
Ondo they owe Ondo they owe 4 months.
4 months. Oyo State.
Oyo they owe 4 months.
See am. And they won't collect bailout.
Chukwudi. In fact, these are states in same when they collect bailout that time. And then we also hear stories of how this bailout take waka. We hear say they take a lot of them channel them. So they are somehow one account where we say we don't know whether they exist or not. A typical example, somehow the governor of Imo State, the way one rumor come and say they catch one person, we say they check, he put in one money based on the bailout wey dem collect o.
Thank you.
Come put in one money somewhere.
Nkubi, I like the way wey you take even break all this thing down. Talk the states wey they owe, talk how much wey they owe. Make we know say.
No. Nigeria is our country. We are all involved in this.
Yeah,
we get brothers and sisters wey dey work under this
Exactly.
So we need to at least voice out for them. Make we know the way forward.
And I happy say all this money wey they owe, you no get anything to do with former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. Because if to say now maybe 36 months, we go talk say he go back. Nkubi, I want to ask you a question.
Why asking me a question? Why me? Why is it that it is? Why is it that me won't ask question?
Okay, no verse. Nigerians, I want to ask a question.
Beautiful. Ask Nigerians the question.
How e be say we go give people over 400 billion naira from the breakdown when we get
400 billion
say make dem
naira.
pay salary, and we get people when they owe 5 months, we get people when they owe 4 months, we get people when they owe 3 months. Nkubi, how is that possible? If we are talking about accountability and responsibility in government,
but make also be in mind say a lot of these governors say they channel am into different projects where they on
in a government of change, they give you money to pay salary, you channel am into another project. In a government of change, is in a government of change? Oh, Nkubi, listen to yourself. Say
no. I'm only trying to re-echo what the governor said.
How will you re-echo?
The governors, what na the echo? Say what they talk now, they try, say a lot of this money, say then channel them into projects where they undergoing for that
in the
state.
last 1 year for this country, we don't see things we never see before. In the last 1 year for this country, things don't.
Why they emphasize on say in the last 1 year? Waiting again, waiting you don't see so far.
Thank you very much. The government won't give bailout to workers or bailout to governors for workers. When we come the year say people they owe 5 months, people they owe 4 months, people they owe 3 months, people they owe. If we even break down, if we break them down, enter into pension. Pension when we say
no, even mention pension. Pension now that different story. That one different. Not even mention
in a
pension.
government of change.
Mention because if you start to mention pension here, that one under project on its own.
In a government of change.
No, now we are addressing this matter as Nigerians. We know they just this is your hand where they point to me say in a government of change. I talk one in a government of change. Bring the hand from waiting now. Take it easy.
But is this not a government of change?
Maybe well we are still expecting the change to come.
And we give bailout in a government of change. We never ask where the money they go. 400 billion. No.
No. He never read. He never read that level.
No. We cannot.
We cannot continue like
no,
that.
it has gotten to that level. It has gotten to that level.
Take it easy.
It has gotten to that level.
Take am easy
I
now.
will not take it easy. No, they tell me say make I take am easy.
What you want to?
Okay, thank you very much.
What you want to?
Thank you for that question.
Okay.
I will answer your question.
Answer.
Now,
Go ahead.
why see Nkubi? I'm not happy. I'm not happy.
Neither am I. Do I look happy to you? I'm not happy either.
You look happy. You look happy.
No.
No.
I won't take that from you.
Eh?
I will not take that. Look, my state is involved in this. Imo State where I come from, they involved inside this matter.
Action governor.
No, make we not even come the action.
No, action governor.
Come the action aside.
Of the APC.
Make we face reality.
Action governor of the APC.
26 point something billion naira now you collect. We dey hear case shebi that. Hey.
No, don't take. Nkubi, take it easy now. Take it. Shebi before una they complain. No, you have seen it now. When I've been there, they talk. I'm saying, if we want to change Nigeria, as a people, we know the direction where they go. Make Nigerians stand up, make them begin to talk. Everybody talk, say, hey, and they talk. They shout me down. Nkubi, you follow for people when shout me down. I was speaking like the prophet. You know what it is?
No. Hey.
It's written.
Of all things on earth, of all humans on earth, when we say we don't achieve greatness in life, no ever, please. When they say you were a prophet or you spoke like a prophet, who dash you prophecy? Who dash you prophecy? Just keep. You are only defending a purpose. Just stick to that. Make everybody stick to your own.
A prophetic purpose.
A prophetic purpose. Which prophetic purpose?
When I talk, I'm here say, if we want to change this country, see the way we go, make all of us do that.
No.
You
what were you said? If you want to change this country, okay, those prophecies, bring them back.
Thank you very much.
The same way we take talk at that time.
Thank you.
Now I won't hear it now.
On top of this same acid hot, I talk am here say.
That was before this government of change came into place.
Thank you. I talk am here say.
Okay.
Say our politicians, whether umbrella or broom.
Okay.
As Nigerians, now our own interest, collectively.
Now we support pursue.
Allow me to learn. It's my prophecy.
No, but the prophecy it is not rhyming.
It's my it will rhyme.
It's not rhyming.
Allow me to land first.
Okay.
Now, I can't talk at me and say, people when they come and they tell us, say, hey, this person is evil, that one is evil. We are the good people. When we say they follow chop from inside the same plate, 7 years, 8 years, since 1999.
16 years, just mention 16 years.
16 years. Then all of a sudden,
they don't become political born again.
Egusi soup, no come sweet again.
For their mouth.
Banga soup with periwinkle. Now it come be the main one. They can't change. Everybody got to say, yes, this man is a new man.
Just as they talk now, the same way we get brothers and sisters, religious brothers and sisters, say that they turn born again. They will say that they don't clean up their own
Is this behavior a born again behavior? Is this behavior a born again behavior?
Maybe. Born again,
no, is this behavior a born again behavior?
It take different dimension.
Only 5 months.
It will take different dimension.
Only 4 months. 26 point something billion.
We get color.
Now you know say we get color.
Take it easy now. Why taking the personal on me?
Your state is even owing.
I know. That's why I said they cry out.
Change.
Good morning. We get caller from Germany. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga.
Good morning.
I hear you now.
They hear you too. They hear you too.
This mother I can't call this morning. Now God damn the day.
You see, I'm in a government of change.
God damn, that God go see us through, no doubt.
The thing what I want to say this money, it follows the monthly allocation. I mean, they see they give the monthly allocation apart from this bailout.
Well,
they give monthly allocation with the bailout.
Oga Jeremy, bailout now for the purpose of bailout. The allocation now for the purpose of allocation. The reason why they
receive the allocation, Nabi.
If they know they receive the allocation,
if we don't hear voices now, if we don't come and contact.
I be say market for no they move now.
If we don't hear that one, say then they collect allocation.
Okay, one thing what I want to say, before now, I know say we don't produce rice. And those rice we will produce, I don't they eat them before these governments come. And I don't know what happen, all those rice, not the see them again. I don't know, I just don't know what's going on. Maybe now follow me answer the question. All those rice when we see that they go in rice, they go rice, they see all those things. I don't know where all those things go. So no, now follow me answer that question.
Very true. Oga Jeremy, we don't know the important point. And this one get to do with what will they produce inside our country.
Idea. Now
we will discuss that particular issue. We get somewhere, but it be like say somewhere don't run come up for on top of our telephone line. We see they discuss the issue when get to do with the proposed bailout. When we say our governors them don't go again less than a year after they collect bailout, it be like say they don't talk of collecting another one.
Never tell them collect them.
It go good make we break down wetin be the reason why a lot of these our state governors been complain say they no fit pay salary. They talk about bad economic policies. They talk say the economic policies wey we say our government put in place dey bad. Na im make them no fit na im make the states no dey viable. They can also talk about say the revenue wey dem collect from Abuja the thing don decline. But I dey very certain here for the past 5 years we don dey think about diversification of the economy. Do this, do that, do this. Wetin our governors dey do? You are a governor, you are not a class captain. You are a governor, you are not head boy. Governor get power. Governor get legitimacy to do what he supposed to do. Wetin many of these our governors don do in a government of change.
Let's bring it this way.
In a government of change.
You don't do now.
In a government of change.
Enough of this is a government in a government of change. Don't point me. Don't point at me. That means it's a government of change. As if what's the meaning of that? Why would you say in a government of change? What is the meaning of that? Why point at me?
Gesticulation. I do my life.
No. You don't be like this. You do.
Your conscience. Your conscience go worry. I say in a government of change. Government of change.
No. What to be in a government of change? In a government of change.
Okay, Nkubi.
Me don't understand the body language.
Nkubi, is this
understand the
Nkubi, are we talking about government or not?
Yes, we're talking about government.
Is the government not the government of change or not?
Elsewhere.
Is the government not the government of change?
Your hand no fit go in that direction.
Where I want point to?
In other direction, no game.
In a government of change.
You are still pointing at me directly.
Am I pointing at you?
You are doing like this, pointing at me.
Nkubi, tell Nigerians why governor go collect 20-something billion?
We
don't see the salary.
Hey, enough of that. We get caller. Good morning, Oga Paul.
Hello, Nkubi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, we hear you right on.
Oga Paul, we greet you all the way from Greece.
Yeah. Nkubi, thank you for the suggestion and the things you people are doing in our country. Thank you very much.
Thank you too, sir. Thank you for calling.
This is concerning this bailout and the money the governors are spending. As you can see, if the governors, they don't have the interest of the masses. And the senators, all of them, none of them have interest of the masses. Before, the senators proposed to buy cars, and the president told them not to buy the expensive car they proposed to buy. But they went ahead and bought the car because they don't care. They didn't taste the way they want. They don't care. Now, governors, they are giving the bailout first time. They squander the money, share it, use it, put it in the pocket abroad, put it there, share the money. They come back again. All those governors, all of them are PDPs. They move into APC to share the money again because they have finished the PDP. Now they move into APC to continue sharing the money. So that is what they are doing. They are not doing anything for masses. They don't care.
Paul.
So forget them.
Thank you.
Yeah.
In fact, I just excited say at least all the way from Greece. You call in on this platform to at least to do it, to also pour out your own mind on top of everything that happen for your own country.
In a government of change.
As you said no day for the system, but because I say you be part of the system.
In a government of change.
We got Richard. Richard is calling us from Surulere. Good morning, Rita. Rita, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi and Mr. Nkubi. Good morning.
Good morning, Madam Rita.
Hey! In a government of change, see phone call, cut in. Because of what Rita.
No.
It's clear. It's already clear.
No blame change.
It's already clear.
No blame change on this matter.
No, it's already clear.
No blame change on this matter.
Who could be waiting on guy Jeremy from Ikorodu talk?
We hear that one.
Paul from Greece talk?
We hear that one.
From the greeting when Madam Rita even greet, I know where she dey go.
She won't fire on.
She want you. I know the kind of state where she come from.
Yes, we know.
Somehow. How can 15 states out of 36 still dey owe money for inside this country?
It dey appalling.
We even know.
It dey appalling, no doubt.
Not even speak English. No, they tell me say it dey appalling. In the government of change, they tell me say it dey appalling.
Francis, they call us from Abakaleke. Good morning, Francis.
Yeah, good morning, Kuli.
Good morning.
Let's take a meeting. Fight to solve our problem. Let's just fight for studio now.
Well, I take a meeting.
I'm speaking for Nigerians.
But you should talk to him
I'm speaking for Nigerians. Talk to him.
No, talk to you.
No, I don't fight.
Tell him in a government of change.
I don't say that change. We just call it change or change.
Change.
Not change or change.
You see, Nkubi, you hear him? Is it change or change? Is it change or change? You see him?
I beg, before I go air my own, make I ask, that bella for 1 month, I did not for how many months?
Then tell them, make them calculate all the owe when they owe, make them come. As they come, our Oga president come look say, okay, yeah, take this money, go pay salary. And we see people when they owe 5 months, going into last year.
He sure say na for salary I been to improve the governor's business.
Oga Francis, what did they be say? Make we put out this way, say they don't correct the first this thing, bailout, and somehow from the speculation what we hear, or from the things we will see, just like say that bailout, a lot of them extend the bailout into other areas. When no relate to wetin they wan really spend the money on.
Which other areas? Make them call like
well, now the states go talk, don't be us. Our own to just present the matter. They talk say.
Point of correction for Imo State. My sister-in-law they work for Imo State. Last week when they talk with them, she said they never paid them since January.
January.
So 2 months. Now January, my sister-in-law they work for.
Oga Francis, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We get Oga James. Oga James, thank you for your patience. Welcome to Ask It a Heart.
Good morning.
Good morning, James.
Oga James.
What I want to say is this governor, the details of that money, how they pay that money, may they let us know.
The breakdown, Abi.
Not be say they will say I don't give them, make them go pay worker salary, make them go pay the funds or something like that. Make them go have the money for one place. They we will not understand. Well, yes, they don't pay some months to remain. Where they pay them, how they pay? They don't get the details of the workers. I mean, how much with the money what they say they're supposed to pay these workers and how much they give them. Make them calculate them. Enlighten us. Make them let us know how much they pay. Not be say they will go say we don't pay them. How would I get paid? Nigerians already know. The media self they're supposed to follow this. How would I get paid?
Thank you.
We will there here, we don't go know, we not there with them. They will do their own thing.
Thank you.
They will respond. We will not go know. If they follow them, if they ask them questions, when they answer, not they say they will there there.
Yes, the demand, yes.
They say their own pocket, send their children abroad, do other things. Which of their children they for inter-government to send the government, the school where them build. All they there, and all these people now money they use to do all other things.
Oga James, in fact, you don't pour out you also contribute your own quota into this matter, and I don't believe that all of us they talk now. At least we get government representative where they hear, and then they go feel do it and take the right step. Make we do it, make we quickly go for this break. When we come back, we will continue the matter as it is hot.